How to add products on Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add products on your Wix website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is open up your Wix website that has your e-commerce store. Once you have opened up your Wix website, this is where you will get, this is our editor. And this is one of my website that has an online store. So you will get this option right here, my store. Open it up, and now I will be able to manage products. Click on manage products, and it will open up the dashboard for you. Now here we can find our different options for our e-commerce store that we have. So the first option we get is the product option right here, and you can see I have 13 products listed. Let's go ahead and create a new one. Click on new product, and then we can select if it's going to be a digital file or a physical product. So I'm going to click on physical. Now give your product a name. After that, you have to select an image or a video. We can upload media from our computer or laptop, or we can actually get it from Shutterstock and media from Wix. So I have already added the photo for my product. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on add to page. Now you can scroll down to basic info. You can add the name here. We have ribbon, description, and then we can add additional sections and add the pricing. You can add the cost of good, profit, and margin. We can select if it's on sale or not, and then we can also go with custom text, product option, inventory and shipping, subscriptions, and more. Once you're done with all of the details right here, and we can also select a collection if we want. I'm gonna select new arrival, and then we have promotion option, advanced, SEO given right here. Once you're done with all of the settings, you need to click on save, and your new product will be created right here on Wix. You can see now it has 14 products. We can also import multiple products to our store with this option, or we can export our physical products as well. And this is how you can add products on Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.